This is the next generation iPad Pro. Apple claims that it's the ultimate combination of portability, versatility, and unbelievable performance for pro workflows. The new iPad Pro comes with the next generation M2 chip. This chip delivers even faster multi-core CPU, graphics performance, even more memory bandwidth, and a faster neural engine for advanced machine learning tasks. Doctors can work with complex 3D models, architects can fly through projects, and photographers can edit massive images, all faster than ever. Thanks to the hardware-accelerated encode and decode engines in M2, content creators can ProRes footage up to 3 times faster. And when you combine this new media engine with the image signal processor in M2 and advanced cameras on iPad Pro, for the first time, you can capture ProRes video as well. iPad Pro is a complete movie studio right in your hands. Fast wireless connectivity is essential for transferring large files like video. So cellular models of iPad Pro connect to 5G around the world, and all models now support Wi-Fi 6E, which is up to twice as fast. The stunning liquid retina display with ProMotion technology delivers the most responsive visual experience on iPad and the most responsive Apple Pencil experience as well. On the new iPad Pro, the Pencil experience leaps into another dimension with Apple Pencil Hover. The iPad Pro screen detects electromagnetic signals emitted from the tip up to 12 millimeters away. M2 instantly interprets those signals and determines Apple Pencil's position in 3 dimensions. This enables even greater precision because now you can preview your mark before you make it. And developers can take their apps to new heights as well, like in Procreate, projects spring to life. You can lock in your favorite color with a tap, preview before you place, or pinch into the perfect size. And it goes even further than drawing and sketching. Text fields automatically expand when using Scribble. And your handwriting converts even faster. And that's Apple Pencil Hover. iPad Pro also goes to the next level with iPadOS 16. Stage Manager is an entirely new way to multitask on iPad Pro with multiple overlapping resizable windows in a single view, and switching between apps is seamless too. And Stage Manager really shines when you attach an external display. There's more room for even more apps. And with the trackpad support in iPadOS, you can organize your apps exactly how you like. It feels incredibly familiar, yet still uniquely iPad. iPad Pro's blazing performance takes your favorite apps further than ever. And powerful new apps will keep coming as well. DaVinci Resolve for iPad for color correction, editing, and visual effects, Octane X for state-of-the-art cinematic 3D rendering, and Affinity Publisher for professional page layout and design. With more and more powerful apps like these, you can take your pro workflows wherever iPad goes. So this is the next generation iPad Pro, supercharged with next generation features, unmatched performance from M2, super fast wireless connectivity, a next level Apple Pencil experience, and powerful new features in iPadOS 16. The starting price is still $799 for the 11-inch model and $1,099 for the 12.9-inch model. iPad Pro is so far ahead. I don't know anything else like it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments. See you all in the next one.